Hi, this is Nitin from C2EX, and we are also a startup, a new gen entrepreneurs. We are into consulting business. Doing consulting business is not an easy job. It's very tough in terms of running a business, in terms of a backend activities which we do. You need everyday leads, you need everyday inquiries, you need your visibility to the complete market, and your website, which is the face of your business, and the landing pages, ads that need to be very well structured and optimized and with very great strategy. So we were doing all these activities with one of the team, and we honestly we were not having very good positive conversions or a leads flow in our websites. So, but we are keep on trying to optimize it, but we are still facing in SEOs, in Google Ads, everywhere we are not having any good results. So we were looking for a best solution providers for this one, and the turning point is when we met Mr. Upendra from SDM classes. Honestly, I wasn't sure at the moment when we met, but when he started explaining about how this all activities works, how this backend technical things arrives and how the strategy to be made and all, I got a little bit confidence, and even though I wasn't sure of this one, I thought of giving out a try to implement something as per his suggestion, taking his solutions for my website. So as soon as we started working together with Upendra, he started first he started with doing a complete due diligences of all my websites, landing pages, SEOs, Google Ads, wherever it is. So he gone in depth, analyzed everything, every step by step. He looked into our Google Ads search engines and also the keywords which we are using to generate the leads, how it is growing or how it is increasing day by day, what is the improvisation graph it is. Everything he analyzed, and he came up with a proper roadmap or an approach to us and said that this is the things which we need to optimize, change, and adopt a few more things which can bring in more positive things to into our business. So then we give an approval for him to proceed ahead with implementing whatever the best he is looking into. He started fine tuning and fixing the things step by step, and he narrowed down all the activities, and he make sure that everything is fully optimized, and he has assured that within a couple of weeks of time we are going to see a best results. And to be honest, after a few weeks we started seeing a drastic change in the leads flow, conversions, SEOs, Google Ads, everything. So honestly, there was no false promises from their side. Whatever the honestly they used to tell about the pros and cons both. They used to explain us what is the pros, what is the cons, and what is the risk factor involved. Everything they used to explain. This is what he differently did. He first analyzed everything what currently we are doing, and then he came up with a complete corrective active solutions. So that is what we got, and now C2X is in very good position in terms of the consulting business. Our ranking has been raised, and we are getting very good quality leads. Our Google Ads is performing very well, and our convergence is also going good. So honestly, as a founder and who is tired of getting a good results in a digital marketing, just connect with Mr. Upendra from SDM classes. He's the right path for your business growth.